Edie Beans with the Little House of Beans. Today on Cooking with Edie, we'll be making a keto cheesecake. Sounds yummy. It is. We are using very minimal ingredients. This recipe was inspired by my recent trip to China, where I actually got to taste a real monk fruit. Now, even though this is a keto recipe and we use monk fruit sweetener, we have always used this as a sweetener in many other recipes. You won't notice a difference. It tastes great and it's healthy. The recipe and the links to the products you see me using here will be in the description below. If you don't already know, we do have a Facebook group, Omnia Stovetop Oven Fans. I am super eager to make this keto cheesecake. I've been craving for something sweet. Let's cook!